Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Apple Pay. First, you'll have to download the Apple Pay application from your App Store. Once you open it, you will find here this interface. You just have to click on this plus sign on the top right side. After that, you'll have to scan your card from the front and from the back in order to add your card to your Apple Pay application. Another thing, you can add these details of your card manually by adding the name of the card number, and all your card details manually. After you add your card, a small message will be displayed in front of your screen, congratulating you that you have successfully added your card. Now you can use your card through Apple Pay on your iPhone or even on your Apple Watch. You can navigate to your mobile settings and go to Wallet and Apple Pay if you want to change anything in the application. And now you can use the Apple Pay through your mobile phone or even through your Apple Watch. Just make sure when purchasing that you find this sign, Apple Pay sign. And the good thing is that you can use Apple Pay in order to pay all your transactions by simply double clicking on the side button. Then you will have to confirm the payment by using your Face ID or the passcode, so you can use it when paying for transits in restaurants, cafes, stores, etc. And you don't have to unlock your iPhone. You just have to double click the side button. Then you can use your Face ID in order to confirm the purchase. And if you have an iPhone with Touch ID, just double click the home button, then rest your finger on it in order to detect your fingerprint, and by this method you will authenticate. Another good thing is that you can use even your passcode. You can also tap on your cards on the bottom of the screen in order to choose which card you want to pay from or which card would you like to choose. And when you are ready to pay, just hold your iPhone on the top of the terminal in order to confirm the payment. When the transaction is complete, a chime will play and a done message will appear in front of your screen. And if you want to buy something online, you just have to click on Apple Pay button. You will be prompted to review the payment details so you can confirm your delivery address, and you can even change your card if you want to pay from another one instead of the default option. After that, you'll have to authenticate using the Face ID, fingerprint, or even your passcode. And this is how you can make payments and purchases using Apple Pay. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and goodbye.